step responses of a series RLC circuit are Vc is equal to 40 minus 10 e raised to power minus 2000 t minus 10 e raised to power minus 4000 t volt at t is greater than 0. IL inductor's current into t is equal to 3 e raised power minus 2000 t plus 6 e raised power minus 4000 t, sorry, milliampere at t greater than 0. A. Find C capacitance. B. Determine what type of damping is exhibited by the circuit. Type of damping. Okay. We are going to solve this problem. First of all, A IL into T is equal to IC into T is equal to C dV naught by dt. Okay. We consider this as equation 1. So dV by dt is equal to 2000 cos 10 into e raised to power 2000 t plus 4000 cos 10 into e raised to power 4000 t, which is equal to 2 cross 10 raised power 4. This is common from both terms, so e minus 2000 into t plus 2e minus 4000 into t. We consider this as equation 2. But IL into T is equal to 3 e raised power minus 2000 into T plus 2e raised power minus 4000 into T. Let it close. This is 4 cross 10 raised power minus 3. Consider this as equation 3. Now substituting to equation 2 and equation 3 into equation 1, then we get 2 cos 10 raised power 4 cos C is equal to 3 cos 10 power minus 3. Hence, from this, C is equal to 1.5 cross 10 raised power minus 7, which is equal to 150. After calculation, it is equal to 150 nanofarad. Yes. A is solved. Now move towards B. Since S1 is equal to minus 2000 and S2 is equal to minus 4,000. These are real and negative also. So it is an over damped case. Hence we get the solution A and solution B. So problem is solved. Okay, now